Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy shares with Trading 212 Invest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate a stock, configure your order, and place a purchase confidently. Begin by opening the Trading 212 website or mobile app and, if prompted, sign in securely. Make sure you're using the Invest account type so you're buying actual shares rather than using leveraged products. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the screen for the search option. Click or tap it to bring up the search bar. In the search field, type the name of the company, ETF, or the ticker symbol you want to invest in. As results appear, carefully select the correct listing to open its dedicated page. This page shows the live price, recent performance, and key details. Take a moment here to confirm you've got the right instrument and, if relevant, note the trading currency and market hours, as those can affect execution and potential FX conversion. When you're ready, choose Buy. In the Order panel, enter how much you want to invest or the number of shares you'd like to purchase. You can usually switch between entering a cash amount and a share quantity. Pick whichever is most comfortable for you. Ensure you have enough available funds to cover the estimated cost, and remember that prices can move, especially during active market sessions. Before submitting, you can fine-tune how your order executes. A market order aims to fill immediately at the best available price when the market is open. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay, which gives you price control, but may not fill if the market never reaches your limit. Depending on your strategy, you can also configure stop or stop limit parameters for more precise triggers, such as buying only if the price breaks above a certain level. Adjust these settings only if they align with your plan and you understand how they behave. Next, select Review Order. This summary shows the instrument, quantity, or amount, order type, indicative price, and the estimated total. Double-check everything here, including any applicable FX conversion if you're buying in a different currency. If everything looks correct, confirm the buy order to submit it. If the market is open and liquidity is sufficient, a market order should execute quickly. Otherwise, your order will remain pending until its conditions are met. That's it. You've placed your share purchase on Trading 212 Invest. You can now monitor your position in the portfolio section, set alerts, and continue learning as you invest responsibly.